Good day, madam. I'm Vanessa Estera, 29 years old, single from Philippines. I live here in Manila, Philippines. I have 4 years work experience as a caregiver here in the Philippines. My patient's case was bedridden, has Alzheimer's, has diabetic, and paralyzed. My duties and responsibilities as a caregiver for personal care, I do inject the insulin for the patient has diabetic, and I can also prepare the nutritious food on time, cleaning the room of the patients, changing diapers regularly, assisting with bathing and dressing and undressing, and give also medication. For medical support, I also monitor the vital signs and health issues. I also help physical exercises and give medications. I hope you trust me, madam. Thank you.